You searched how to buy shares of Sky Quarry Inc. Sky Quarry operates in the quarrying and mining sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SKYQ, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I use eToro here as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually verify the account with an identity document and add funds to make purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SKYQ to locate Sky Quarry Inc. Then select the matching result to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the company profile and the price chart to understand the listing, and confirm the name, market, and ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details carefully and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once the trade is processed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, and a helpful link to eToro is available in the video description below.